CSAA Experiment 7E11 using the resultant set of policy 2. Resultant set of policy is used to make implementation and troubleshooting of group policy much simpler for an administrator. When multiple group policies are applied, configuration settings and conflicts can be difficult to track. So the resultant set of policy can query the existing policies that are in place and then provide reports and result of policy changes. RSOP support two modes, planning and logging. Planning mode generates a report and provide results of proposed policy changes. Logging mode generates a report based on current policy in place and providing the resulting policy changes. In this experiment, you learn how to use the resulting set of policies. 2. In this activity, you create an RSOP report using the logging mode to review the policy you have set in this chapter. Click Start and click Run. Enter MMC, open the text box in the open text box and click OK. Maximize the window console if necessary. Click the File menu and click Add or Remove Snap In. So we shall first close this one. Start MMC. Add or remove snap in. We want to resultant set of policies R. Okay, resultant set of policies add. Okay. Right click the resultant set of policy. Okay, maximize. And click Next. Generate RSOP data. Click Next. So we have two modes, either logging mode or planning mode. So we shall use the logging mode first. Click Next. Okay, it's applied to this computer, so click Next. Okay, display setting for the current user. Click Next. Finish. What options are displayed in the right pane? Computer configuration and user configuration. In the middle pane, double-click Computer configuration. Double-click Windows setting. Double-click Security setting. Double-click Account Policies in the middle pane and double-click Password Policy. Account Policies. Password Policies. We have changed it to 60 days and so on. 8 characters. Close it. Yes. RSOP. End of E11.